Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can redeem your gift card code on Last War survival game. So it's a pretty simple process. What you'll have to do is you'll have to go on this link above. As you can see, you can type this link in your web browser. This link will directly take you to the place and the website where you can enter your gift card. Now once you've entered this link in your web browser, this is the website that you're going to go to. You can see the Last War and Gift Center. Now from here you need to enter your user ID right here and then you'll press on login. This is basically confirmation that you have an account on Last War Survival, and once you press on login and this will confirm right here your user ID, you will enter your gift code right here. First enter your gift code and then press on confirm, and once you do that the gift code would be redeemed and the reward would directly be sent to your character's in-game mail and you will be able to redeem that gift card. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.